Alright guys, I'm going to do another little flight because it's not as windy. So see how she flies. Normal. Put it 0. That was my fault. There we go. My goodness. Especially with no wind. Wow. Almost set perfect. There we go. That's perfect. I'll try to hit the 3D switch. See what that transition's like. Oh wow! Oh my God! You can't even feel it. Wow! Man, he wasn't kidding, the night flyer. You cannot feel. I'm gonna bring it in close and see if I can. Even if you can, let me see if you can even hear it. Alright, you ready? Here we go. Wow! You can't even tell. Can't even tell. Wow. This thing flies so smooth for a micro flybar, this helicopter. Put it in 3D again. Wow. It stops on a dime. Tail's holding very nice. Look at that. Very smooth. My goodness. I keep saying it, but I mean, it's just so smooth. Alright, right there is hands off. 1, 2, good 3 seconds hands off. My trim's still not set 100%. I'm not sure what the flight time is. I know people say they're getting like 8 to 10 minutes, so all depends on how aggressive you fly. But I am just so amazed on. I just want to do it one more time. I'm going to put it in 3D mode. Wow, it's right here. Alright, you ready? There. That's 3D. There is no transition whatsoever. No transition. Unbelievable. This thing flies like a dream, man. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable how they're making them this small and like that. Unbelievable. Yeah. And now what I have it in now is 3D mode. That gives the motor constant RPM, and what it does is only changes the pitch of the blades. So where like when I get it upside down, down will be up. See how fast it comes down? It's like you don't. Unbelievable. And when you take it out of 3D, you can't even feel it.
They send you the levers too, or just plain stuff?
Oh no, everything, yeah. They're
control box?
Oh yeah.
That's awesome.
Oh man, this one's nice. Yeah.
It takes a lot of work, a lot of patience.
Yeah, I've been flying them for years. It's, you know what I mean? I wouldn't recommend this for somebody's first one, you know, but
Nah.
you gotta go with the little, they're called 4 channels. This is a 6 channel. They won't flip, you know what I mean? It's the only way you can break it is if you crash them into something. But this one, if I push foot, it'll flip all the way, you know? See?
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah, that thing moves.
It does move. You have to constantly charge it up with the...
Yeah, little lithium batteries. They give you actually 2 of them too.
How many hours you good for flying?
Oh, you only get about 10 minutes.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's only taking about 20 minutes for a charge. It's not bad.